Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing another toolbox reviews. As you know, this is my old top toolbox. My drill is in the top of it. This is what I now am using. In the top drawer, like in the top of that toolbox, you have all the sockets. Three Pittsburgh ratchets, extensions, thing for impact, spark plug socket, swivel head that I've never found a purpose for, adapter, tape measure, a knife, ancient socket set older than the majority of people watching and me. And then down here we have metric wrenches, right here, standard wrenches, and one 9/16 gear wrench. And then down here we have pliers, screwdrivers, another knife, and some Allen keys. They are DeWalt. And then down here we got power tools, and right here we got more Allen keys, Pittsburgh Pro screwdrivers. Do not know how to pronounce this brand, Milwaukee Bixby Craftsman hammer. My drill, as I said, is over there. Then down here, because I have two little tools, with Massimo parts and woodworking stuff, and for knife making. So yeah, that's my new toolbox. Then I'm pretty sure we're gonna need this. Pretty sure we're gonna need some of these. And some of these. What size sockets? Just take the whole P8 tray. Probably gonna need these. Gonna need these. You don't want this. Pretty sure that's all we need? Yeah, that's all we need. Now we're going to take this out here. Now we're going to do a deck removal. Guys, it's fall and we're going to need the deck anymore. Ooh, both fell off. Not good. I mean, not. Okay, now I need to take the deck off. First we need to get the belt off. Oh, by the way, guys, if you didn't know, we did an engine swap on the John Deere 165 Hydro. It's now 24 horse instead of 14. 10 more horsepower. That's because my dad toasted the engine. So yeah. Yeah, now.
That doesn't come out of there.
Well, then help me. Yeah, no, I'm videoing. Take the rest of the pins out. I'll video you doing it. We'll just change the title of the video to Owen taking my deck off. You guys got that? It's now Owen taking my deck off for me. Oh, there. The belt will come now. Boom, done. Owen's the best at this. Good job, Owen. Oh, there's one more thing, two more things still attached. One more thing right down here. It's attached straight up into there. Hi, Poppy.
Nice.
Need a 9/16. There's 9/16. Hello. For these,
Just drive up over it.
This dit's not meant for that.
Oh, it's fine.